What's up, Sun Rays? Welcome back to the channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some of my favorite gels. And guys, I'm sure you noticed the background. Yes, I have moved into a different room. I'm still playing around with the lighting and things like that, so you have to forgive me. I'm still playing around with how I want the back to look, so hey, it is what it is. If you are my members, you already know how I've been struggling with this, so y'all give me some grace and hopefully I'll get it the way I want it very shortly. But let's go ahead and get into these gels. Okay guys, so the first gel that's on my favorites list is the Aunt Jackie's Ice Curls Gel. You guys know I love this. I talk about it all the time. I have shown it on my channel multiple times. I will try to link videos where I've used these products in the cards above, so hopefully I have enough cards, but if not, I'll do what I can. But anyway, this is a really good gel. It's a gel that plumps my curls, gives me shine. It's a gel that goes with every leave-in that I've used it with without flaking. Guys, it's a good gel and it's affordable, so it is on my favorites list. I get flexible curls, which means that they're movable, that I can shape them how I want and things like that, but they're touchable. They're not real crunchy. It does have a hold and it will get you 7 days, but it's not a real hard crunch. I don't care for that. I like a more touchable crunch or a more touchable hold to my hair, and this gives me just what I want. I love this gel. I love this gel. Y'all knew this was gonna be on my favorites list. I love it. The next gel that's on my favorites list is the Eden Body Works Smoothing Gel. Y'all knew this was gonna be on my list. This is another favorite of mine. This goes really well with its leave-in. It's a match made in heaven, in my opinion. I love those two together. Again, if I want big hair on day one, this might be the gel that I go to because it gives me definition and hold, but a soft touch, and it gives me a little bit of a fuller wash and go, which I particularly like. Some of you may not, but I do. I will say that I wish it came in a bigger jar, but hey, 8 ounces, it is what it is. And when you can catch it on sale for $5, that's not bad. So I will try to stock up when Eden Body Works is having their $5 sale, but this gel is really good, okay? Both of these gels have glycerin high up on the list, but it's not that sticky feel like some gels with glycerin high up on the list will give you. You know, that gummy feeling. You don't get that with these, at least I don't. So that's why I like these two. They're just moisturizing to my hair. They give me soft, bouncy curls. Yeah, I love this gel. Love this gel. I do want to see what else it pairs with. I've only used it, I believe, with its leave-in, so I do want to try other leave-ins with this to see how it works. But if I can't get any other leave-in to work with it, I know that its leave-in does, and that's good enough for me. So yeah, another favorite. Another gel that I added to my favorites list was the Curl Origin Honey and Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Gel Lay. This gel is really good too. I used it multiple ways. I used it with this mousse, which I really enjoyed, and then I also used it with its leave-in. That was a good wash and go too, but because this gel is a little bit softer, I didn't get the same amount of hold or longevity as I did with using it with the mousse. But when I used it with the leave-in, I did top it with the wet line gel and got a really good wash and go that way. So if you are someone who wants more longevity, who wants it to last 7 days, then I would say use this, the leave-in, and then top it with a wet line. You still get, you know, your definition and everything, but your hair still is movable and flexible and touchable, although it does have a nice hold to it. So yeah, you could use it that way. That worked really well. Or if you're someone who likes a little bit more big hair on day one, not real big, but big enough, and you know, a softer hold, then you can use it with the mousse and get a really good mousse gel wash and go. Y'all know I love a good mousse gel wash and go, and this did not disappoint. I'll link it so y'all can take a look at it, but this is really good. This made it to my favorites list. Another gel that y'all knew was going to be on my favorites list is the Nature's Little Secret Ochre Curl Defining Gel. Love this too. This has been on my favorite since she came out with it. This is more of a cream gel in my opinion, but it's still really good and it has a nice hold to it. Some people say they get crunch with this. I usually don't, because I usually use something really moisturizing underneath it, like her avocado cream or her banana leave-in or whatever else. I've used a lot of things under this. I think I used the Camille Royals Curl Up under this and got a really good wash and go as well. So my wash and goes are not real crunchy. They are moisturized, they're defined, they're plump, the curls are plump. Everything that I want, no flaking, everything that I want except for that real hard crunch. So I love this gel. This is in 12 ounces. You do have to order this gel. However, I do have a discount code. I'll leave it here on the screen for you guys, and I'll also link it in the description box. If you're wanting to try out Nature's Little Secret and want to save a little bit of money, go ahead and use that discount code. But this is really good, guys. I love this gel. I love this gel. Okay guys, another gel that I just recently found out about and it blew me away is the Garnier Whole Blends Hair Honey Jelly. Guys, this is a really good gel too. This is another one that just plumps the curls, defines them so well without a hard crunch. You can definitely get 7 days with this gel, but your hair is moisturized, it's flexible, it's shiny. This is another one that goes with any leave-in that I've tried it with and didn't flake. Guys, this is really good. And this is another one you can find on the ground that is affordable. If for some reason you can't find it in the stores near you, you can order it on Amazon, okay? It comes in a 2-pack for around 15 bucks or something like that. So you're getting it around $7.50 each, which is not bad. But this is really good and it became my favorite after first use. So y'all knew I was gonna have to mention this one. Love that gel, okay? Love that gel. Another one that y'all gonna be shocked about this one because it's been a love, then went off the favorites list, then came back on anyway. It is the African Pride Curl Defining Gel. This is the aloe and coconut water one, guys. Now I have I'm not gonna say love hate because I never hated this. I've always liked this gel, but I took it off my favorites because it was too good. I know y'all like, what? What I mean is it defines the hair so well and it holds the curls so well that it's hard for me to stretch my hair. So my hair, you can't tell now, we'll talk about this later, but my hair is not really cut in a shape. So when I go to stretch my hair, I like to kind of shape it. It's hard to do that with this gel because this gel just locks in those curls exactly where they were when you applied the gel. So that's how strong the hold is for me. Again, it's still kind of moisturizing, especially with the mousse under it from this line. That's a really good wash and go, but it just has such a strong hold in my opinion. Still don't get a lot of crunch from this gel, but it has the hold. It definitely holds the curls. So with that being said, I just reused it again recently with the mousse and got a fabulous wash and go. It was moisturizing and everything, so I added it on back to the favorites list. So I'm gonna have to deal with the fact that it's hard to stretch because it's good, it's affordable, you can find it anywhere. Guys, this is a great gel. So if you haven't tried it, I say pick it up and give it a try. Guys, another gel that I just recently used and fell in love with, and you guys did too because y'all kept complimenting my hair, is the Shea Curl Creator by ORS. I used this a while ago. I'll leave the video here. Got a really good wash and go using it with the mousse, and then when you guys like my hair, I had used it again with the mousse. It's really good too. This is a gel, again, that defines the hair. It surprises you. You don't know that you're gonna get that much hold, but you get a lot of hold. And you saw my hair, it was nice and shiny. It was very defined, but it still was moisturized, so it didn't dry my hair out, guys. This is really good. It's affordable as well. So if you haven't tried the Curl Creator by ORS Curl Show, the Curl Show line, y'all need to pick this up and give it a try. I did use it with the milk as well. It was more fluffy, so I do prefer it with the mousse. But I do want to try it with some other leave-ins and see how that works. I don't have a lot left, and I did not pick this up over Black Friday, so I'm gonna savor this because I'm on a no-buy. Y'all put me on a no-buy, so I can't pick this up again, so I'm gonna save this. I'm not gonna use it again right away, but this is really good. And then guys, I'm going to talk real quick about Oldies but goodies. I can't leave these off the list because hey, they're Oldies but goodies. So the first one is the Fruit of the Earth Aloe Vera Gel. I love this. I keep it in my arsenal. I have a video. It works. And it's not only good in my hair, but also on my skin for sunburns and stuff like that. So I always have it. But this used to be one that I used all the time back in the day, especially if you're going on vacation and stuff like that. It's lightweight, makes your hair nice and fluffy and soft. But because it's so cheap and lightweight, you can wash your hair after you go swimming, put it back in, get those curls back, and keep it moving. So I love this gel for that. I'm rushing, can't say a lot more about it, but that one's good and affordable as well. The other one is the Eco Gel, any Eco Gel. All of them have worked for me. I love all of them. When you're in a pinch, you need a gel that you can find anywhere, even if you're out of state, out of town, wherever, they're gonna have Eco. So Eco is gonna get you right. It's gonna do the curls. If you don't like Eco, okay, I'm sorry, but for those of you who don't mind it, who want the 7-day hair, who want the definition and everything, and want the cheap amount of what it costs and can get the good wash and go wherever you are, gotta add Eco to the list. And last but not least, for those of you who don't like Eco, there is the Wet Line Extreme. So this is the blue one. I do have the clear one. I like them both. I think I like the blue one over the clear one, but they're both good. Again, if you want a gel that you can pick up pretty much anywhere and it's cheap and it's gonna get your curls right, give you the longevity that you want, the definition that you want and everything, then Wet Line Oldie but goodie gotta be on the list. Okay, so these are favorites, and they're favorites because of what I said. Cheap, defines the hair, find them anywhere, yada yada yada. All right guys, that is it for my favorite gels. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.